Hey everyone, if you want to change the search engine in Vivaldi Browser in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to switch your default search engine and even add custom search providers. First, changing your search engine allows you to choose the service that best matches your privacy preferences and search needs. Start by opening Vivaldi on your computer. Click the Vivaldi menu and select Settings. In Settings, click on Search. Yeah, this section contains all search engine options. Now select your preferred search engine from the drop-down menu. You can choose Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or other available options. Type something into the address bar and make sure searches are using the new engine. If your preferred search provider isn't listed, you can add it manually. Yeah, Vivaldi supports custom search engines. You can assign nicknames to search engines for faster searching. This lets you switch search providers instantly from the address bar. If you use Vivaldi Sync, your search engine preferences can also be synchronized across devices. For better privacy, many users prefer DuckDuckGo or Startpage. Yeah, these services collect less personal information. A common mistake is changing the search engine, but forgetting that some extensions may override those settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the search engine in Vivaldi Browser in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.